Hello everybody and welcome back to another C++ program exercise, and in today's video we are going to be going over C++ program exercise number 4. Now C++ program exercise number 4 says write a program to help a local restaurant automate its breakfast billing system. The program should do the following: show the customer the different breakfast items offered by the restaurant, allow the customer to select more than one item from the menu, and calculate and print the view. Assume that the restaurant offers the following breakfast items. The price of each item is shown to the right of the item, and it shows like plain egg, bacon and egg, muffin, French toast, fruit basket, cereal, coffee, and tea. Use the array menu list of type menu item as defined in programming exercise number 3. Your program should contain at least the following functions: get data, show menu, and print check. Format your output to 2 decimal places. So now what this program means is that it's going to take a file that looks something like this, and it's going to make a menu out of this file, okay? And then you're going to enter what you want inside of your breakfast order, and then you'll calculate it using this file. Anyways, I'll just show you how this will work. Let me run the program, and you see, welcome to Johnny's restaurant. You can write in, yes, I do want to make a selection, and the item number will be, I'll just have a simple cup of tea. And I'll say, no, I don't want to select another item, and it'll give me the tax, and it'll give me the amount I am due. And that will be the end. But I can have up to 8 orders in a single order. I have up to 8 selections in a single order, okay? So, now the first thing that you want to do is you want to have the struct that you declared in programming exercise number 3, and you need to make an array of that type. I'm going to name my array menu list, and I'm also going to have this named constant at the top, which is the number of items inside of the array. You also need to declare all of these header files in order to continue with this program. Anyways, once you are done with that, let's get to doing our actual program. First, let's declare our function prototypes. First, you want to write in void get data, and it's going to have input file stream and in file, comma, menu item type, list, comma, int list size, okay. Now after you're done making this variable, after making this function prototype, you can write in void show menu, and you can actually just copy and paste what's right here and write in a semicolon at the end, and then you write in void print check, and then you also just can copy and paste that, since that's actually going to be in pretty much every single function, comma, int c list length and and comma int c list. After writing that in, then you can move on to some other stuff. Now afterwards, you can just write in after this function right here, after you write in a semicolon, you can just write in void make selection int list size, comma, int clist, comma, int and clist length. And then you write in bool is item selected, which is going to be int int clist and also int clist length, but I'm just gonna copy and paste it, comma, int item number. Okay, now after you're done with that, we are done with the function prototypes. Now we can get to our main function. So right here, we're going to write in int choice list, and then we're going to write in number of items, and we're going to write in int choice list length. And then we're able to write in input file stream in file. And then we can see out fixed show point, set precision to 2. So then you write in file.open, and you write the name of what you want to open. And now after you do that, I'm just going to put in the name of what I want to open. You do a semicolon, and then you can write in if in file, you write in cout could not open input file. Okay, there we go. Then we enter and we execute all of our functions. Show menu. Oh, I accidentally misspelled that right there. And choice list length. And you write in print check, menu list, number of items, choice list, and choice list length. Now it's time to move on to our functions. Now what you can do very easily is just come in here, copy and paste these functions, remove the semicolons, do this, Okay, and now after you're done with this, just making all the things, let's get to actually declaring our variables. So now the first thing that we want to do is we want to declare the what is inside of get data. So first we're going to write in char and ch. Now keep in mind ch in this case is going to be the choice of the user, and we're going to write in for int I is equal to 0, I is less than list size, I plus plus. We write in get line in file, comma, mlist, comma, mlist with index I, period, menu item. And then after that you write in file, mlist with index I dot menu price, and then you write in file dot get ch. Okay, and there we go. Oh, and sorry, actually this wasn't supposed to be the choice. I got a little bit confused. This is actually just going to be the placeholder char value, so that we could take in as input the new line character. This is just so that we could get on to the next line. Okay, now that you're done with this, all this does is it brings in as input the entire menu from this file. Okay, now what we want to do is we want to show them the menu. So we write in cout welcome to Johnny's restaurant. And then we write in endo. After writing that in, we can cout once again. Today's menu. And then you write in for int I is equal to 0, I is less than list size, I plus plus. Now after that we can come to the end, come right here to the bottom, and then write in I plus 1, we write that in, left, set W, 15, mlist, index I, dot menu item, right, then you write in mlist with index I dot menu price. And after that you write in cout endo. Now we are done with show menu. Let's go down to print check. Okay, so now for print check, you want to write in int I, and then you want to write in double sales tax, and then you want to write in double amount due. And then we write CO welcome to Johnny's restaurant. And now, and then from there we can write in at the bottom for I is equal to 0, I is less than C list length, I plus plus, we write in C out left set W 15 M list, and you write in C list with index I dot menu item and then you write in right set W for M list with index C list with index of I dot menu price and down. And then you write in amount due plus is equal, it basically means amount due is equal to amount due plus M list with index of C list I dot menu price. So now what this for loop does right here is it takes all of your choices or all of your selections and then adds them up into the amount due right there. So what this for loop is doing is it basically takes the choice list, and inside of this choice list it's going to show a series of numbers, and that series of numbers is going to be the orders that were made. For example, I could order my choice list could be like 1, 7, 4, and then this choice list length would be 3. And in that case, this depends on 3, right? And it's going to print out the well, technically in the other function make selection, we are going to subtract 1 from these. We're going to subtract 1 from these so we could get the indexes, and then we get that. So then we take out these 3 items, and then we print it out, and we say, okay, so this item, this number of item, and it's also going to print out its name as well, costs this much, and this item costs this much, and this item costs this much. And it's going to show it like that, kind of. We haven't done the make selection, but this is, in my opinion, a bit simpler than doing the make selection first. So anyways, then we can write in right here, sales tax is equal to amount due times 0.05. Okay, now after you write this in, then you can write in cout left set W 15 tax, and then after you write in tax, you write in right that, and then you can write in come to the right, sales tax endo. And you change amount due is equal to amount due plus sales tax. And now after you do that, then you can actually copy and paste what's right here. Paste it, change this to amount due. Now after you do that, you just write in right here amount due. And now that is the end of the print check function. Now we can move on to the make selection function. The first thing you want to do is declare the variable int item number, and then also char response. After that, you can write in C list length is equal to 0. And after you do that, you can come to the bottom and write in cout. Do you want, or you write in you write in right here instead you can make up to list size single order selections. Endo. And then we cout. After that, cout. Do you want to make selection y/y yes, comma, no/no, no. CIN, response, cout, and okay, now after you write in that, we're gonna click out enter a couple of times to make some more space inside of make selection. So then we want to write in a while loop, while response is equal to y, or, and then right here we write response response is equal to y, and C list length is less than 8. Then we enter, write in some parentheses, and we write in cout, enter, item number, and then we cin item number, cout and del, and we write in if is item number, if is item selected, C list, comma, C list length, comma, item number, then we write in C list with index of C list length plus plus is equal to item number minus 1. Else we write in cout item already selected and del. And now after that we can write in cout select another item y/y yes or n/n no. And then we cin response cout and del. And there we go. That is the end of our make selection function. Okay, let's move on to our is item selected, which will be the final function of this program. So the first thing you want to do is you want to make a bool variable, and it's going to be initialized to with the name of found, and it's going to have a value when it is initialized to false because we have not found the value of this variable yet. Then we're going to write in for int I is equal to 0, I is less than C list length, with semicolon I plus plus. Then we write in if C list with index of I is equal to item number. Then you can write in found is equal to true, and then we can break. Let's just fix these indentations, because when you have proper indentations, in order to have nice looking code, because nice looking code is just a law, and then you write in return found. And that should be it for our program. We scroll through, we have all of the functions all nice and filled out, and we can now run this program. Let me just scroll through the code, make sure everything is correct. And this right here, that should be a semicolon instead of a comma. Let's try and run this. Oh, we got an error right there. Let's pull up the error menu and see what it is. Expected something before cout. Let's see. Line number 66. And let me just write in right here. And then I think that might be the problem. And okay. And that's it for there. And now let's see what's right here. What is the error here? We have set W15. This is in the print check function. So cout left set W15 mlist, and we see the problem, and it's right here. Let's try and run this once again, and there we go. We have the stuff all displayed and ready for us. Let's see if it matches our notepad file. You can see right here that it truly does. Let me just drag it out. And so first what I'm going to do is I'm going to enter a plain egg. And we see here that there must be a problem, because our tax and our Mountain Dew was not printed out correctly. You see? Our tax is 0 and our Mountain Dew is 0, despite us choosing plain egg. So let's check out that. Let me try running this again. Let's see, should be running correctly. Let's see, do you want to make a selection? Yes, I would like to make a selection. Oh wait, maybe it's because I was putting a number here instead. Now if I put the item number like 3, no, I don't want to order something else. Muffin, tax, Mountain Dew. Oh, okay, that's where the problem was lying. I accidentally wrote in this input instead. Okay. Anyways, that's a mistake on my part. I guess you could see that our problem is working more than correct. And that is pretty much the end of our programming exercise. I hope you all had fun in this C++ programming exercise, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.